Are you looking for a budget PC that can handle 1080p gaming and other everyday tasks? Look no further. In this video, we'll go over the components and recommendations for building a budget PC that costs around $500. So without further ado, let's dive in. And a quick reminder that the prices may vary, so refer to the links in the description for price updates. First up, we have the Asus Prime B450M, which is a micro ATX motherboard that's compatible with AMD Ryzen processors. It offers DDR4 memory up to 64GB, M.2 storage, multiple connectivity options, and Asus 5X Protection 3 hardware safeguards. It's a great budget-friendly option for gaming or productivity PCs, with ample expansion slots and ports for future upgrades. The AMD Ryzen 5 4500 is an optimal choice for any budget build. With 3.6 GHz clock speed, it has an excellent performance for everyday use, gaming and light video editing. With 6 cores and 12 threads, this CPU will handle most tasks with ease. For memory, we've added the Corsair Vengeance LPX 16GB, two 8GB sticks. This kit will provide you with plenty of memory for multitasking and gaming. It's also a great choice for future upgrades since the motherboard has 4 RAM slots. For storage, we've chosen the Western Digital Black SN7 7500GB. This is a fast and reliable SSD that will give you fast boot times and quick loading of applications. It's also an excellent choice for gaming, as games will load much faster. For the graphic card, we've chosen the MSI Mech-2 SoC with Radeon RX 6500 XT chip, which has 4GB of GDDR5 memory. This is a great budget graphics card that will give you excellent performance in most games at 1080p. It's also an excellent choice for video editing and other GPU-intensive tasks. To house all these components, we've chosen the AeroCool Bolt ATX mid-tower case. It has a sleek design and comes with all the necessary features. The case also has room for additional fans, which will help keep your system cool. Last but not least, we have the Thermaltake TR2500W ATX power supply. It's a reliable power supply that will provide enough power for all your components. It's also an excellent choice for future upgrades, as it provides enough power for most mid-range graphics cards. Overall, this budget PC build will give you excellent performance for the price. It's perfect for gamers, students, and anyone who wants a budget PC build that doesn't compromise on performance. We hope this video has helped you in building your budget PC. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.